This is the story of how my Nana is my art. Here we are pictured on my very first birthday, which of course I don't remember, but she made every birthday after that extremely memorable through her creativity and her art. Here we're pictured in her kitchen where you can see how creative and bright her life is through her cow prints and paintings and just the vibrancy that she creates. The first true experience that I have of her art is when she created a book for me. This book was given to me when I was 7 years old in 2008, in which she expressed how proud of me she was in the very first page. Of course, as a 7-year-old girl, I felt so loved and cherished just from this very first page. And then I got to look through it, in which I saw all of my favorite characters at the time, being that I went to her house every weekend and we watched these movies together over and over again. I believe that her love language, at least for me, is art. And I share that same love. I love to show her I love her through art. I love to gift her art. I love to find art for her. It's something we share. She's constantly making me new things, constantly through holidays and birthdays, expressing how much she loves me through her art and gifting me things that she created off the top of her imagination. And every year since I have turned 7 years old, I have received a new image to put in my book. Each one better before the last, each one more meaningful, each one just an even bigger surprise. And then you can see that my love for Tinkerbell flourished, which she just ran with. She loved to draw me Tinkerbell. And this is one of the pictures that I got in 2016, and this is my favorite picture that she has ever drawn for me. She got extremely creative this year, and I decided to add a little fire to my life in this picture. She singed it for the aesthetic, and I think it's so beautiful, and I see her talent thriving in this picture. I can't believe she can free-handedly create something so beautiful that is specifically meant for me, because she knows how much I love it. And here I am again, with the sign that she created for one of my birthdays. I cherish everything and save everything that she ever creates for me. And this is only the brim of my book. You haven't gotten to see all of it, but it's an amazing, wonderful, magical place for me every time I open it, on every birthday. This is the back of it. This might be the end of my book, but this is not the end of my art. My art is my Nana, and she is the most amazing art on this planet.